Hey guys, what's up? It's Ayush Mathur from It's Yellow Thing, and today we are going to review a very special device, which is the Yu Yureka by Micromax. So, it is a special device not because it has got a very nice amount of specification, but the specification it has at the cost they are providing it, which is just 9,000 rupees. So at the 9,000 you get a Cortex octa-core processor, 2 GB of RAM, Adreno 400 GPU, and dual SIM 4G functionality phone. So that's a bang for bucks kind of thing for me. Moreover, the idea behind the branding of you starting a new brand, apart from the Micromax, is a very odd thing, but the idea behind it is to provide a phone which you can modify at a larger level without any problem of the warranty policies and all that thing. So they have done it by introducing a new brand and creating an ecosystem which they want to share with us, so that everyone which is having the knowledge can do whatever they want with the phone the way they want. So they call it the phone from them. For us, that is you, that we let's forget it. So let's talk about the phone. First talk about the hardware. So the first thing you will notice that the phone is very light and very large. We have got the 5-inch display, and it is kind of phablet phone, but it is quite slim. I don't know actually the ratings, how much thin it is, but practically usage, a person like me having I think I can have, they say I have large hands, but normal person will not feel it that large, as it is very slim. Also, if you are not using these back covers, you will feel that the phone fits in the pocket very nicely. So like you will feel that there is something in your pocket, but you won't feel any bulky thing there without these back covers. Also, the back finish of this back cover is very nice. You have got this very smooth rubberized texture, which is very unlike the other phones from the Micromax, but yeah, it feels very nice. We have got the hardware buttons here, which are made of metal. Also, we have got the micro USB port and 2 microphones for recording videos and the calling. We have got the speaker here, loudspeaker, which is loud enough, and this call speaker here, which is also average. And we got the 13 megapixel camera, we'll talk about that later, and the 5 megapixel camera. The camera quality and other things will be discussed in the software. Also, we have the 3 Android buttons here, which due to the magic of cyanogen mod on this phone, you can turn off and use the software buttons, or you can just keep them default and use these hardware buttons. So talking about the hardware, I actually liked everything except the screen. So the screen, which is not HD and which is 5-inch IPS LCD display as they call it, is very bad actually. I had very bad experiences over it. In the 1 month usage, I faced the screen burning issues. If you want to know about it, just Google it, and it's very irritating actually. Just to let you know, like if I open the Facebook application and open it up for quite a longer time, you will see that that blue ribbon is in the application. This blue ribbon keeps on here and when you just go back to the other screen, you will still have some ghost appearance of that previous screen, which is really irritating sometimes. So the screen is very bad actually, and if you want to know if it's a deal breaker, then yes, it is a deal breaker for me, because hardware is something you can't really have any defect upon. Software issues can be resolved, but the hardware is only changed. So the screen, IPS LCD screen, is really bad. The irony is here is that the IPS LCD displays don't show ghost screen defect much. It is more obvious in the AMOLED screens, but though due to that obvious reasons, this phone is showing that defect, so there must be some problem in the screen. So other than that, we have the Gorilla Glass here, which do catches some oily fingerprints, but it is really nice. You can feel it is very solid here. See, the look and feel of the phone is really nice. You don't feel that it is a cheap phone, and it is very sturdy made also. The back is removable, which and also the battery. We have the 2500 mAh battery, which is removable, and the micro SD card. We supported 64 GB extension, 2 SIM slots, and nothing else. There is the speaker. So that was all in the back of the phone. You can see the back cover is it is very plasticky and not very premium, but the feel it gives is really premium. So that was all in the hardware section. We'll talk about the camera later. Talking about the hardware, if you have no problem with the screens, the phone is very good for you, but for me, I felt like that I have been cheated over here due to the screen. Though it is 9,000 bucks only, but still I should get a better screen. So now talking about the software, we have the CyanogenMod 11 based on the Android KitKat 4.4.4 here. Yeah, just so you got to see things here. Here is the about phone. So you can see Android 4.4.4 KitKat, and it is running the firmware version, which is it's the model number. So here the CyanogenOS 11 firmware version XNPH05Q, which is the latest update, which as according to them solves the that proximity sensor issues, but it don't really I felt like this proximity sensors are going nuts due to the software programming. It don't really turns off the screen sometimes when calling, but it can be sorted let's see how it turns out to be in the CM12 update, which is going to come on the March 26th. Software issues can always be sorted, as I have already told you, and they have got the U forums where you can of course report those bugs and issues, and they will sort it out and provide you the update. So in the forums and the support of the software is great. I would say they are responding the software issues, but talking about the other offline support, we'll talk about that later. So the software is really nice. The CyanogenMod operating system, it has got really nice features. I will not talk about the features, but talk about the things which are missing over on this phone. So like the 1+1, which is having the gesture features where you can draw an O to open the camera, are missing over here, and due to the lack of the sensors on this phone, which is having only 4 basic sensors, there is issues in the GPS and the positioning of the phone, like it is not having magnetometers, so using the virtual reality Google Cardboard on this phone would be really difficult. As you can see, it automatically goes there. Yeah, it do performs a bit of the motion movements, but yeah, it sometimes goes nuts. Like you can see, it is automatically moving towards the right, which should not be happening. That's all due to the hardware problems, or I would say lack of sensors. It has not got the NFC, but you can't do really ask those things at the 9,000 bucks. The main idea behind the phone is to provide a phone for the enthusiast who can do anything on this phone without worrying about the warranty. They can root it, they can install other mods and try them out and make their own modified mods and like that stuff. So for that, this phone is really nice. I would say providing a Samsung mod activated phone at just 9,000 bucks, you have given really a power of God in terms of mobile phones. So really a thumbs up for that to the U team. And I had no issues in the software region as far as my usage of 1 month is concerned. But yeah, I am really disappointed by the screen and the hardware issue. If they would have given a few more sensors in this phone and a better screen, it would be an awesome phone. But for the only reason of the screen, it turned out to be a bad for me. I was really interested when the whole U idea was launched and this phone was launched, and talking about the specification, but in reality it turned out really bad for me. So, and also the support thing, I know that the U companies comparatively new, but they should have provided at least a bare minimum amount of support. I have emailed them about the burning of screen like a lot of times, but they didn't respond. Also, the UK number they have provided in the phone, nobody really responds on that number, and it just cuts off the phone totally. So on the forums, yeah, we do have people there who responds, and the enthusiasts who are working over on the forums do respond, as it is all open source, so you can always expect that if you are having any issues, you want help, you can go to their forums and ask them, and someone will definitely going to reply that. But the team reply, the official replies are really not coming. So hopefully that will improve in future. So about the final thing now, should you buy it? Yeah, that is a very difficult question to answer, but if you are looking for a phone which you want for the daily usage purpose, and you are not that enthusiastic in the Android thing, and you just want things simple, I would say that rather buy any other Android phone. Like we do have the Mi Note and the Lenovo A6000 and some other Lenovo phones in the same price range, and also the Asus Zen phone, right? They all have the similar specifications like this Yureka is having, and I guess they have a better customer support and better stable software. So if you are not an enthusiast, don't wanna touch these things, just go buy those phones. This is not really your area. But if you want to do everything, like going deep into the kernel, modifying things and like those stuffs, this phone is a jewel. Like, yeah, you can just go deep into the kernel, change the layouts, change the performance, and you can make it do whatever you want. The 8-core processor is like a lot of power, but the native things do not really make that use of it. But you can just tweak the things and make use of that, and the company won't mind really. But the support, as I have already told you, is almost nil as of now. So like, I have got any issues about this screen, I am literally into, well, I have no one to help here. No matter how much I shout, it will always turn out bad for me. So the thing is clear now. If you are a regular user, don't buy it. If you are into developing things, you can buy this, but there are better options. For the general users, I would say try Windows Phone. Like, yeah, that thing is very stable. So last words, the phone is cool. Let's find out what they have in the second phone. I heard that they are announcing a second device. Don't know what it's going to be, but yeah, I'm really looking forward for the Lollipop update, which is going to come on 26th March, as far as the rumors are concerned. Alright, that's enough in this video. I hope you like the review, and do comment below about your thoughts, being it positive or negative. That doesn't matter. I will definitely going to reply if it's in scope of me. So nice talking to you guys. Hit like if you like the video. Do subscribe, because I'm going to have a lot of things about this channel not coming up. I have got the 1+1 white, and we are talking about these features more in the coming videos, and the same are also applicable on the Yureka. So do subscribe, hit like, and share the video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.